everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 28th of February to the 4th of March 2022 on Monday. Digging for decomposing bodies is not Nonhle's idea of fun. Nkosi Yabo isn't about to let Moroccan media steal his thunder. Mazu shows how agreeable he can be when the mood strikes him on Tuesday. Spare realizes the truth can be hard to hear, especially if you're the one who insisted on hearing it. Tracy thinks she has found her calling in life. The forensic guys makes a gruesome discovery in the open field on Wednesday. Once again, it's Luyolo who comes through for his ex when no one else will. Lucy is not very sympathetic when Mbali dreads going to school. An interaction with Winston leaves Mia seriously rattled on Thursday. Mazu received disturbing news and decides on a rush course of action. A teenager learns the hard way that popular people aren't necessarily nice people. A girl leaves her workplace in tears, unaware someone is watching her on Friday. Tracy sneaks into work early to upload her story and is caught in the act. Mpo is too obsessed with the serial killer to worry about his missing friend. The rich girl from the suburbs is fascinated by Castle life. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.